In the last video you saw me remove some huge holes in this dam as I installed an overflow pipe. In this video watch as I excavate either side of the overflow pipe and fix some holes which are in the core. So here's a view inside the trench. As you can see here, pointed by this arrow, that's the overflow pipe. As I was excavating this trench, I actually noticed a hole in the sidewall. Thinking this was only a small hole, we decided to hit it with the excavator's compactor. As you can see here, that actually punched all the way through the soil, and actually what we saw underneath there as we stuck a camera in was a huge cavern. So that was dug out, and the holes refilled and compacted as we'd done with the rest of it. Filling these voids actually takes quite a lot of extra soil, so we decided to make the turning circle bigger and use that soil to fill these voids.
So today we are just making the turning circle way bigger. It's going to be full size so that you can use a car with a trailer to turn around. The dam is currently being pumped out so that we can put a layer of bentonite on the wall. We're also going to be cutting a trench right down the middle, the whole dam, and it's going to be filled with like a concrete bentonite mix so that it makes it pretty much impenetrable to the water. So we're putting the new overflow pipe, which is just there, and it's a lot bigger than before. So the dam was about 1.5 megalitres before. It'll probably be about 2 now when it's filled up. And that we're putting in all the cracks that was flowing out before and fixing it up. So there's the water coming out where we're pumping out the dam. And yeah, for now that's today's job, to widen out the turning circle, and we might be pulling out some of these trees out of the dam. So this just compacts all of the mud on top of the dam by whacking it down into the floor. Mud mark just there, goes all the way around. That's how far it's going to be cutting, but that's how far it's going to be at the bottom of the slope. It's going to be a pretty big intersection. So guys, we've just been adding a layer of bentonite onto the side of the dam wall that's been recently fixed by Rod over in the excavator. And what this bentonite does, it's sort of like a dusty type sand size, and it just comes in bags. We've been spreading it, so what it does is it finds its way into the microscopic holes in the mud, and eventually it'll disappear and it won't be here at all. And so the excavation, making that turning circle bigger. We've also added, just behind those few trees where you can see those bags, we're making a wood pile there and then filling it in with mud so that we can make a big turning circle. And that turning circle should be about a 3-point turn. And then later on, we'll be taking out these trees out of the dam. And so that's what we're doing for now. So this is like the fixed part of the dam, and the overflow pipe's here and then pops out the other side there. And it's all been fixed up here. And so that's that wood stack I said about that we're backfilling with soil to make a bigger turning circle. When we first came and bought the land, there was it was already a bit dug out, and you could see the excavator marks over there. And we think they used that mud to help build the whole dam wall.
Once we'd finished working on one side of the overflow pipe, we went to the other side and did the same activity, using the trenching bucket to excavate down and then using the compactor to compact the core. Luckily on this side we didn't find any major holes, and this activity was pretty quickly completed. So this is that part of the project completed. What you can see here is the area that we were working, shown by the arrow. You can see also on this dam wall it's nice and flat across the top, and there is a dip on the left hand side, which actually is the natural overflow. On the next photograph here, what you can see is the actual old water line, so you can see there's quite a difference in height. We were able to build the dam wall up quite a bit to increase the dam size. And that's this part of the project finished, and the next part of the project will be removing the trees from the dam.